Hello everyone, I am Patel from the Institute of Engineering and Technology in the Department of Electronics and Communication. Welcomes you to the session of wireless communication. Today I am going to discuss about Unit 5, that is wireless systems, with topic CDMA architecture and channels of CDMA. So let's start the session. Now let's talk about the IS-95 channels. For the GSM channels, we discussed that there are forward channels as well as reverse channel. Forward channel means it is one type of downlink channel. Downlink means from the base station to mobile station it is that. And uplink means it is one type of reverse CDMA channel, and it is from mobile station to base station. So for forward CDMA link or forward CDMA channels, it can be divided into the further classification, that is, first one is pilot channel. Pilot channel is associated with the W0. Now what is this W0? W0 is the Morse code that is generated for the CDMA. Before discussing about the Morse code, let me talk about the PN sequence that can be generated in case of CDMA. PN sequence is a sequence that is generated by the if we multiply the narrow bandwidth signal with the large bandwidth signal, and at that time one pseudo-random code is generated that is called as the PN sequence. So this type of false code is associated with this. So here W0 means false code 0 is associated with the pilot channel. Then the second is synchronous channel, means W32 is given to the synchronization purpose. Next one is PCH. PCH means paging control channel. Here 7 paging control channels are there. So PCH1, 2, PCH7 are paging control channels. Here for this W1 to W8 is assigned to PCH because there are 7 channels. W0 first one is the pilot. From W1 to W8 is assigned to the paging control channel. Here next one is code 1 to code 55. So here also from W8 to W regarding whatever the Morse code that are generated for the CDMA channel, that is assigned to the code word, because for the CDMA code word should be there and code word is assigned to the PN sequence. So this is the forward channel, means from the base station to mobile station it is assigned. Next is about the next is about the reverse channel. So here for the reverse CDMA channel, it is mainly divided into the two categories, that are access channels and the next one is traffic channels. So for the access channel and traffic channel, we will discuss about each group of channel in description. We will discuss about each group of channel in the further slides. So let's first talk about the forward CDMA link. First forward CDMA link or channel is assigned to pilot channel. Pilot channel is assigned to the W0, means Morse code 0 is assigned to this pilot channel. Then for pilot channel, we should take this into consideration or keep in mind that for the pilot channel, the power should be as high as possible, because 4 to 6 dB power should be higher, while this range of power should be higher for pilot channel, because pilot channel will be used as a reference signal. So for this you should keep the power level at high. For pilot channel, the data rate is 19.2 kbps, and how we can identify that this is the pilot channel? So pilot channel can be identified by the continuous zero, means without discontinuity. If there is a sequence of zeros are generated for the pilot channel, then we can identify that this is the reference channel that is given here. Next group of channel or next group of forward channel is SCH. SCH means synchronous channel. It is one type of optional channel. It is not mandatory for synchronization for the CDMA, because in the case of unit number 4 multiple access statements, we talked that in case of CDMA synchronization is not that needed, but in case of TDMA it is needed. So it is one type of optional channel. It is assigned to W32, means Morse code 32 is assigned for that. How one can identify that this is a synchronous channel? So we can identify the synchronous channel by the consecutive zeros and 1. Means if there is a 0 then 1 is 1 and 0. So we can easily identify that this is a synchronous channel for port division multiple access architecture. Which type of messages are included by this? So it includes the system identification messages as well as short PNC codes. Obviously, the voice codes are classified into the different sequences. There is a short PNC ones, then long PNC ones, and about the narrow bandwidth and large bandwidth multiplication signals. So the next group of channels are PCH1 to PCH7. That is assigned to W1 to W8, means voice code 1 to voice code 8 is assigned to paging control channel. It is also one type of optional channel. Now paging means a short message that is broadcast over complete service area. So it is one type of optional channel. Why optional channel? Because it is not always necessary to broadcast some messages over complete area. So that's why it is not mandatory channel. There are total 7 paging channels are used for paging from paging channel 1 to paging channel 7. Some of the messages included by the paging control channels are system parameter messages, then neighbor list, means which of the devices are used for this, then paging messages, means short messages for that, data bus messages, means whatever the messages that is transferred to the frame that is given to the paging control channel. Authentication messages, if you need in security for this, then for each short message there is an authentication message should be assigned. Next group of channel for CDMA is reverse channels. Reverse channel is also called as a uplink channel, and it is from mobile station to base station. So for the reverse channel, let's see the scenario that will be divided into the two major categories. That is, one is access channel and the other is traffic channel. So for the access channel, it will respond to the paging channel. For the access channel, we can say that the response of paging channel will be given by the access channel, because paging channel is one type of forward channel, and forward channel means from base station to mobile station is transferring information. So if we want to acknowledge that paging channel, then what we have to do is we have to respond this paging channel by providing the reverse link for that. And for providing the reverse link, we have to give that a channel that is called as the access channel. That's why we are written that to respond the paging channel, this access channel is required. It is also used to originate the call process as well as to register the location, means in which particular area the user is assigned to the information or which particular area user is that. So whenever the handoff will occur, this channel will respond, means access channel will respond about the location of user. Next group of channel is traffic channel. Traffic channel means the data as well as the voice information, so it orders the messages. Authentication challenge message is that means if there is any security that has occurred in the network, then it will be responded by the traffic channel that is called as a authentication channel message. Next one is data bus message. If one want to transfer the message in terms of form, in terms of frame, then it will be transferred by the traffic channel. Also, the handoff completion message means by the access channel, one can register about the location, at which particular location user is there. And if user is moving from one base station to another base station, and after reaching to that particular base station, the acknowledgement should be transferred by the traffic channel that is called as the handoff completion message. So this is about the reverse channels of CDMA. There are some features of CDMA architecture about the rate, frequencies, and then services. So let's talk first about the data rate of the CDMA. So its transmit rate is 192 kbps, its average rate is 3 kbps, and there is two voice coding methods. Why voice coding methods is that? Because PN sequence are used, and if PN sequence are used, then we can say that for the PN sequence code what should be used. So that's why here two voice coding methods, that is 8 kbps and 13 kbps are used for this. Let's talk about the frequency, because it has its forward as well as the reverse channel. So for the frequency, it will be divided into the uplink as well as the downlink channel. Uplink means reverse channel from mobile station to base station, and downlink means forward channel from base station to mobile station. So for the frequency of the radio carrier is 1.25 megahertz for the CDMA as a carrier frequency, and for the uplink means from the mobile station to base station or as a reverse channel, it will be given to 824 to 849 megahertz. In case of the downlink, it will be 869 to 894 megahertz. There is also some frequency separation in between the band of the frequency. For this, as we already discussed about the GSM, that there is 200 kilohertz of frequency separation or band separation is there. Why this band separation is necessary? Because by providing the band separation, we can use the guard channel concept, because there should be no overlapping in between the two bands. That's why this is also required in case of CDMA also. So frequency separation for this is 45 megahertz. Different services that can be offered by its TMSA. We talk about these services later on with the in detail. Then about the supplementary services that can be used, like broadcasting of messages or location information. There is also some aloha method, started aloha, that we cannot ignore, that there is a started paging that can be provided by this paging by this CDMA channel that will be absent in case of GSM. So these are the various list of features that are associated with CDMA. So we discussed about the CDMA channels, forward link channel and reverse link channel, about the access channels and how the voice code is assigned to the various reverse link channels, about from W0 to W64. So the